Hey guys, and today, guess what I built? I built myself a fence. Okay, my neighbors will be pretty impressed by this here. The fence itself is in good condition. I made it myself, and I only had to use 3 materials, which is wood, dowels, paracord, black paracord, and some pipe cleaners. And the structure of this is very, very sturdy. So the lightweight dowels itself themselves are they're lightweight, so they might still do. So I'm pretty sure my neighbors will be pretty impressed. All I had to use is a steel hammer to hammer these dowels in here into the ground. And I just hammered this one here, and this is where the mildew is, so I don't need to get near it. But I hammered that one like straight into the ground. I did a pretty good job with that one right there, because they also wrapped a pipe aluminum foil around it. Not on the whole bottom, but on the bottom middle. So I attached the paracord by using pipe cleaners, because I don't know how to tie. Because I don't know, that way I don't have to tie those, because it's a pain to tie. So no one might care if these are on the paracord. So there you have it for you. That is my fence. Bye, guys. Bye.